Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. From the Bromford Faith Centre. You're probably wondering what I'm doing here. This masjid is officially open, but we need your help. We aim to make this masjid, the Bromford Faith Centre, self-sustained by you and the local community. That includes operations, cleaning and maintenance, and preserving the masalla spaces. People think masjids just happen to be open all the time, the adhan happens to go off at a specific time, and the imams happen to walk in and lead the salah at a specific time with no planning, no operations and no effort. Wrong. Masjids need time, effort, operations and management. We need your support to keep Bromford Faith Centre running and serving the community.